Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher and this is your video lesson number 3. In this video you will learn vowels and consonants, use of a and an, noun, verb, singular plural, use of is, am, are. Now let's start our first topic, vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. We know that there are 26 alphabets, in which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. These are vowels and remaining alphabets are consonants. Students, you can see that there are some words starting with vowels like apple, egg, igloo, octopus, umbrella. These words are starting with vowels. And there are some words starting with consonants like brown, block, crab, cloud, drum, train, fruit, fly. These words are starting with consonants. Do practice of page number 2 on your English workbook. First you will write vowels and then you will write consonants. Now let's start next topic, use of a and an. We use a before those words whose first letter is consonant like lamp, door, house, bag, tomato. We use a before these words because the first letter of these words is consonant. We use an before those words whose first letter is vowel like apple, elephant, ice cream, orange, umbrella. We use an before these words. Students, choose and write words, we use a before them. As we have learned that we use a before those words whose first letter is consonant, so you will write here some words starting with consonant. Choose and write words, we use an before them. As we have learned that we use an before those words whose first letter is vowel. So you will write here some words starting with vowel. Do practice on page number 3, 4 and 5. Now let's start noun. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. In other words, we can say that nouns are the names of persons, places or things. Nouns are the names of persons, places or things. Now let's start its exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns given in the word bank. First one is dash is a big city. We will write here Lahore. Lahore is a big city. Next one is dash is a good girl. We will write here Lala. Lala is a good girl. Next one is there are many dash on the table. We will write here books. There are many books on the table. Next one is Jamil received a dash today. We will write here letter. Jamil received a letter today. Last one is put your dash and eraser in your bag. We will write here pencil. Put your pencil and eraser in your bag. Now do practice on page number 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now let's start verb. What is verb? A verb is a word that shows action like jumping, sleeps, eats. Let's start its exercise. Underline verbs. As we read that verb is a word that shows action, so we will underline action words. First one is a man is selling ice cream. We will underline selling. Next one is a boy buys a new cycle. We will underline buys. Next one is I am running in the corridor. We will underline running. Last one is birds are sitting in the tree. We will write birds are sitting in the tree. We will underline sitting. Write correct verb under each picture. Here we will write eating. Here we will write breaking. Here we will write swimming. Here we will write crying. Here we will write flying, and here we will write sleeping. Do practice on page number 35, 37, 38 and 39. Now let's start next topic, singular and plural. One thing is called single and more than one things are called plural. Let's start its exercise. Rewrite these sentences. Use the correct words from the brackets. These log or logs are old. We use are with plural nouns, so we will choose plural from this bracket. And we will write here these logs are old. Next one is there are many pictures in the room. We will choose plural noun from this bracket and we will write here there are many pictures in the room. Next one is the shorter boy bought 4 ball or balls. We will choose balls from this bracket and we will write here the shorter boy bought 4 balls. Last one is a horse or horses is a domestic animal. We will choose single noun from this bracket and we will write here a horse is a domestic animal. Write plural of these nouns. Log, here we will write logs. Picture, pictures. Ball, we will write balls. Horse, we will write here horses. Now let's start next topic, use of am, is, are. We use is for singular nouns. We use am for I. We use are for plural nouns. Now let's start its exercise. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. She dash a tall girl. We are talking about one girl, so we will write here is. She is a tall girl. The apples dash on the tree. We are talking about more than one apple, so we will write here are. The apples are on the tree. 2 parrots dash in the cage. Here we are talking about more than one parrot, so we will write here are. 2 parrots are in the cage. It dash her dog. Here we are talking about one dog, so we will write here is. It is her dog. Now do practice on page number 27 and 28. Replay this video if you find any difficulty. Thank you.